Cordial saludo, mi nombre es Fabián Quesada, estudiante de Ingeniería Industrial en el curso de Modelos Gerenciales para la Innovación. Estamos en la fase 3, en el grupo 56 con el tutor Alejandro Ledesma. A continuación, vamos a exponer sobre la inteligencia tecnológica competitiva. Competitive Technology Intelligence as a basic tool for technology management. The technological intelligence strategy predominant organization in the information society to maintain a level of competitiveness where a culture of innovation is faster making the most of their resources without requiring more resources and developing new products or process. Purpose. Fundamental purpose of competitive technological intelligence, as its name indicates, is to strengthen and make the most of existing technological resources and the architecture of new ones if necessary to achieve a transformation and a change in the way of approaching strategies aimed at mirroring the objective set by a company or organization, allowing its leader greater control and dynamics with regard to research of a scientific and technological projects. Development in the development of these tools now are competitive technology intelligence with the with to identify shortcomings that afflict an organization for future decision making in the facts. This is only the beginning for such processes, as it is requires more elements and not only the identification of the problem in this something that must be addressed in an interdisciplinary manner and evaluate the action to be taken from different points of view. In addition, the information and everything related must be handled in the dear and orderly manner, outlining the objectives to be achieved and in the times estimated as necessary. Conclusion. What is sought through the application of competitive technological intelligence is to make process more efficient, and as it is meant in this case to be prepared to face the competition, sparring it is out on nucleus of innovation, including the use of technologies that are focused on the achievement of these objectives. Thank you.